In this video, we are going to draw a pumpkin pie. Wherever I go these days, I see pumpkins everywhere, especially the pumpkin pies. So I decided to draw the pumpkin pie and share that with you guys. This is pretty easy and simple, so hopefully a lot of you guys enjoy drawing it. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm starting with a big oval for the plate and then a rectangle and long triangle for the pumpkin pie. And right behind the pie, I'm drawing a circle, and that's for the pumpkin. And I'm drawing a poop-shaped whipped cream on top of the pumpkin pie. And you know how the inside of a plate is concave? So I'm drawing a smaller oval to show that contour. The rough sketches are already done, so let's erase the practice lines to prepare the drawing for the permanent outlines. I'm fixing some of the lines that got lost during the erasing process, but I think it looks pretty good now, so we will jump into the permanent marker. I'm using a thick marker because there aren't that many delicate parts. Everything is pretty simple, so I'm using the thick marker for most of the outlines. For the whipped cream and other inside areas, I'm using a thinner marker because using different light weights makes the drawing look better. Let's erase all the pencil lines so that we can move on to coloring. I messed up the inner circle, so I'm masking it with the white marker. I think it's just those two lines were too close together, so when the white marker is dried up, I'll redraw it. I'm choosing a bright happy orange to color the top of the pie and the pumpkin. I'm drawing those small circles as the highlights, so I'll be coloring the whole pumpkin except for those circles. For the side of the pumpkin pie, I'm picking dark orange or light brown to color it because that area is not receiving much light as the top part of the pie. I'm also leaving the top edge of the cross empty as the highlights. I'm using the same dark orange that I used on the side of the pumpkin pie to add shadows on the pumpkin. I'm using light gray to add shadow to the whipped cream and the plate at the bottom. Now I'm fixing the mistake that I made on the inner circle of the plate. This is totally optional. I'm adding the texture on the cross and filling. This will make your drawing so much more realistic and interesting, so I highly recommend you doing it. Lastly, I'm using the same white marker to add the juicy highlights to the pumpkin pie to finish the drawing. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And please comment down below if you like me to draw or make any other cute things. I will love to hear from you and get connected. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!